This is for a relatively low balance account. As we can see here on the left hand side of the screen, it has a balance of $42,000. As we can see in the top right of the screen, this account is running our standard version of Optimus, version 4.2. As we can see by the yellow graphic on the top left of the screen, it's running on medium risk. So the period of time that we're going to be analyzing for this account is the past month, which is from the 15th of July 2025 to the 15th of August, the 14th of August 2025. Okay, so on the bottom left hand side of the screen here, we can see that the net profit for this period of time is roughly $2,899, which on this account equates to roughly a 7% return on this account, which is an excellent return on a medium risk account over the past month, especially considering all of the volatile events that we've had over the past month, all of the different things that have occurred, especially events that really affect Euro USD. For example, last week we had a major trade deal signed between the EU and the United States, which had a massive effect on the currency, will have a massive effect on both economies, and that caused realized volatility and implied volatility to both spike by quite a large amount. Alongside that, we have had a large miss in the estimates for the non-farm payrolls release that was released last week, which shows significant weakness coming into the US labor markets, which also rocked markets and caused very, very high volatility. And yet the bot was able to pull out 7% over the past month. So this was a very, very good performance for the bot, but also the return is only one half of the coin. The other half of it is the risk. So we can see here some of the drawdown statistics on this screen here that we've flicked over to, and we can see while we're talking about that risk that the maximum balance drawdown over this period of time is 2.48%. And so we can see that it's been very, very controlled. The bot has been very controlled, even though it has that great profit for the past month, and the balance drawdown is still extremely low, less than 3 times the size, or less than a third of the size of the profit for that period of time. We can also see that there's an excellent positive skew in the trading. We can see that over 75% of the trades are profitable. The largest profit trade is over 8 times the size of the largest losing trade. We can also see that the average consecutive wins are over 3 times the size of the average consecutive losses. And so this is excellent profitable trading over the past month, and very, very healthy trading. We have consistent gains. We're not relying on home runs. We're not relying on 1 or 2 massive trades that make up all of our profit for the month. We've had consistent profits, which is always much better because that's sustainable. Whereas if you're relying on 1 or 2 home runs, 1 or 2 trades where you massively over risk, like some bots that other companies do, then you will, if you don't have those 1 or 2 wins, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to have a bad month. Whereas with us, we have slow and consistent gains, and they're not slow gains. We've made over 7% in the month, but they're consistent gains. They're controlled. The risk is controlled, as we can see here. So yes, this has been very good trading. We're very happy with this account over the past month, and we hope to see that continue in the future. So that's it for another Korvato account review.